the idea is to give you an overview of what has been happening in Latin America in the last 2 decades, and to give you a very quick snapshot. You can say that around 10 countries of 21 countries has already data protection laws, and they are following the EU model of data protection. Why this is happening? Well, part globalization, part the fact that these all countries share a common heritage. They were colonies of Spain. They share Spanish as a language. The legal system is a civil law system as opposed to a common law system, a continental law. And some countries are interested in trade with Europe, and there's this belief that if you approve a law which is adequate with the EU and you get the adequacy determination, you may increase trade, you may have able to open a contact center or call center, or have any kind of relationship with more countries. Another issue that prompts lawmaking is data breaches, hacking cases, and other scandals related to privacy that we have also in Latin America, and that prompts countries to enact data protection laws. So this is like a chronology of what has been happening in Latin America. Involved, you will find the laws that are truly data protection laws. The other laws that are not involved are laws that can be Credit Reporting Act, Financial Acts, or statutes that are regulating the use of credit reporting. And this is also a very interesting phenomenon because many countries will enact first a Credit Reporting Act, something similar to the FCRA in the US, and then they will realize that that's not enough to cover all the problems, and they will come up with a more general or broad statute where they will cover any kind of data, not only financial data. So the first country was Chile in 1999, then we have Argentina in the year 2000, and then we have a rush of data protection laws in 2008 with Uruguay, Mexico in 2010, Colombia also in 2010, and Peru, Costa Rica, and Nicaragua. This is a map where you can see 3 things. You can see first constitutions that have included a clause, a constitutional clause about data protection, privacy in computers, or whatever you want to call it. In Latin America we call it habeas data. It's a very strange term, but if you know a bit constitutional law, you know habeas corpus. So with an analogy with that means not bring the body but bring the data. Give me your data, show me your data, let me access to your data, which is basically the definition of privacy in the information age, the right to access and control personal information.